Good afternoon, one and all. This is K. Raghavendra, TGT in Social Studies at TTWRS Boys Kandukuru. In the last video, we have learnt about the fishing communities, fishing tank in the Bethavol village, net types, and which time they are going to the fishing in the tanks. Today, we will learn about the cooperative societies of fishermen. Today we are going to discuss about the cooperative societies of fishermen. Look at this picture. This is the logo of cooperative society. And observe this picture. Try to understand the meaning of the cooperative society based on these pictures. Okay students, don't worry, I will explain the meaning of the cooperative society. The meaning of the cooperative society. The term cooperative is derived from the Latin word cooperare, where the word co means with and operare means to work. Thus, cooperation means working together. It means those who want to work together with some common economic objective can form a society which is termed as cooperative society. Now the definition of the cooperative society. A cooperative society is a voluntary association of persons started with the objective serving its members. It is primarily designed for promotion of economic interest of its members with cooperation principles. It is based on an important philosophy known as all for each and each for all. Village, if a family want to engage in fishing occupation, they need to have a membership in the cooperative society. The membership is depend upon the ayakat area of tank. Usually, the society takes one member per the 1 hectare. 1 hectare is equal to 2.5 or 2.5 acres. Presently, in this society, 339 members are there. The society has to pay 2,35,000 rupees for the Department of the Fisheries to get the right fishing in that tank. So, for it actually 2,35,000 divided by 339 is equal to 693 rupees 0.21 paisa per head. Generally, during the months of August and September, the society has to purchase fish seedlings and put them into the tanks. After they sold the fish as a pool and share the earnings equally among the all society members. Recently, a new practice can be seen in many fishing tanks. Due to poverty of the fishermen, they cannot buy the fish seedlings from the fish farms. Hence, these fishermen are forced to take the loans from the traders. Based on some conditions, the traders give the advance loans to the fishermen and also take the responsibility to pouring the fish seedlings in the tanks. In return, the fishermen have to sell their all products to the traders at the rate of fixed by the trader, not by the fisherman. The traders fixed the fish rate, which is usually 10 to 20% of actual market price. In this way, the fishermen get the losses and the traders get the huge profit. If the banks will provide the loans to the cooperative society, the fishermen will get the maximum benefits. Now take the homework. Why do you think the banks are not interested to give loans to fishermen? Thank you. Thank you one and all.